Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you that you can adjust the text size in your iPhone so you can make it to the perfect size for reading comfortably. So first of all, you can go to the settings in your iPhone. After you go to settings, you can scroll down a little bit to find this display and brightness option and click on that. And then look at the text size option over here. And now in the bottom of the screen, you will see the scale of the text size. So I'm currently on the second point of the text size. And if I want to make the size to be bigger, I can drag it to the right side and left side to make the text appear to be smaller. So now I'm choosing it to be 3 points bigger. And now you can see that the text appear to be bigger than before. And if I want to make it smaller, just drag the point into the left side, and then you can see that the text is now appear to be smaller than before. So that's how you adjust the text size to your preference so you can read comfortably in your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys in another tutorial videos from this channel. Bye bye.